Forward and up, radio check, forward and up. Forward and up, radio check. Forward and up, radio check.
Loud and clear, sir. Forward.
Okay. Up, radio check up. Apo pa, radio check.
Loud and clear, sir. Loud and clear.
Okay. Apo pa, let go line up. Area todo.
Okay, let go line.
Okay.
Sir, hingi kami ng Baldeo, sir.
Okay, Baldeo. Natawagan na, abiso na, may Baldeo. Nandiyan na sa kwarto?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Libre ka lang dyan sa purwa mo, barko?
Roger, sir.
Okay. Jay, radio check, Jay. Good afternoon, Jay. May hapon, Jay. Ganun pa lang, Jay. Buka lang ako, Jay. Diyan ka lang pasok. Pupa ako, Jay. Tulapula ka lang. Okay, thank you very much. Oo. Pag may Baldeo na, bira lang kayo headline crew ha. Dandahan lang, permin mo lang spring.
Roger, sir. Pag may Baldeo na, sir, pila kami, sir.
Okay. Mga ilang meters yung distansya mo sa Barcos Pro ha?
Mga 7 meters, sir.
7 meters. Okay.
Propellers clear up.
Okay.
All lines on deck.
Copy up eh. Thank you. Abiso if may Baldeo na pro para matawagan if wala pa.
Roger, sir. Wala pa, sir.
Okay. Dong, but okay na. Okay, natawagan na. Abiso if may Baldeo.
Okay, sir. Copy.
Okay. Mga ilang shackle yung naarya mo pro
Dalawat kalahati, sir.
Okay. Wala pa rin Baldeo?
Wala pa, sir.
Paki ano ay paluap ko dong, tawagi balik dong.
Okay, sir.
Tinawagan ni Chief Engineer.
Okay, sir. May Baldeo na, sir.
Okay, may Baldeo. Sige, bira para lang, dahan-dahan lang ha.
Roger, sir. Pira para, sir. Headset.
Okay. Slack mo lang yung kadena mo ha para makapasok sa Benji.
Roger, sir. Naka-attend na naman, sir.
Okay. Monitor mo lang distansya pro ha.
Okay, sir. Picking up na, sir. Headset, sir.
Okay. Pag maano nyo na, i-engage nyo lang. Pag pag let go sa headline, diretso mo lang yung sa angkla.
Okay, sir. Sabay namin. Pira, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Pasok na si Benji. Tulak.
Okay, thank you.
Two meters, sir. Distansya dito sa jetty.
Okay, 2 meters. Slow thrust to
1
port.
meter.
Okay, 1 meter. Para tulak muna, J. Okay, 1 meter. Forward, let go line forward. Area todo.
Let's go ahead, sir.
Thruster to port ha. To port, papuntang port.
Sir, headlight. Sabay ng chaser.
Okay. Okay, purwa, let go line purwa. Area todo nyo na.
Let go line.
Okay. Kick, astern, dead slow, astern, Michi brother.
Long stay.
Okay. Kick la ko atras at pitik la ko atras.
Roger, sir.
Atras sa astern, dead slow, astern. Stop engine. Stop thrust.
Leading, sir. 6 o'clock. Short stay.
6 o'clock short stay. Thank you.
Almost up and down, sir.
Almost up and down. Thank you.
Up and down, sir.
Okay, up and down. Thank you.
Two on deck, sir.
Okay, to on deck. Thank you.
Still up and down, sir.
Okay, still up and down.
Pasok. Sir, pasok. Ito mo yung isang AB. Ako ba? Mag-observe. Roger, okay.
Anuhin pala yung bagong EV, patimunin yun sa highway hanggang masanay siya para sa sunod siya na magtimon.
Roger, nag-base na, sir.
Oo. Thank you.
Still up and down, sir.
Still up and down.
Clock, search day.
Ilan? 6 o'clock?
9, sir. 9 o'clock, search day.
Okay, 9 o'clock search day.
Christian, wala na rito eh. 10 o'clock, long stay.
Okay, 10 o'clock long stay.
Ito na, Sheikh. Nandito na. Okay, salamat. Ten o'clock, medium stay.
10 o'clock, medium. Beso lalabas ng 1 shackle.
Roger, sir.
Okay.
One on deck, sir. One on deck.
Okay, 1 on deck. Thank you.
10 o'clock, medium stay.
10 o'clock, medium stay. Abiso if makita nyo na half shackle.
Roger, sir. Copy.
Okay.
Ten o'clock, short stay.
10 o'clock, short stay. Maulan nga ngayon na panahon, no? Tinutulak-tulak tayo kay Benji. Ito lang yung ano natin.
Palakas ang sir pressure, sir, ng ano, ng Baldeo.
Okay, palakas pressure Baldeo. Pakiano palakas ng pressure out.
Kapal sir yung putik.
Okay, sige lang. Yan, tinutulak tayo ng ano, na pilot boat ni Benji. Malayo na tayo, maulan na kasi, medyo maulan yun. No? Dandahan lang tayo. Ngayon yan, pag malibre na, atras tayo. Tapos kapag dito na tayo sa ramp number 2, hardport naman tayo. Dandahan lang tayo. Lapit na tayo.
Up and down, sir. Chain leading.
Okay, chain leading up and down. Kita nyo na half shackle?
Up shackle na, sir.
Okay, Je, dagdag tulak, Je. Okay, Je, dagdag tulak. Oh. Midship rudder.
Midship rudder, sir.
Sige, parang tulak din.
Stop lang, sir. Short stay.
Okay, 6 o'clock. Distansya ka na lang, Je. It's western please.
This down turn.
Tingnan ko atras mo ba?
This down turn, sir.
Okay, drag ko lang yun. Half thrust to board.
Half thrust to board. Double service, sir. Let's do it. Sir.
Abiso pa, mag 3
Tapos
knots.
daw, sir.
Sir.
Mag 3 knots.
Okay.